Tesla's Wardenclyffe findings and its adaptation to the HARP project are quite well known. There are many good videos and books on this. The ionosphere was technically discovered by E. V. Appleton in late 1926. Tesla filed his patent for wireless transmission through this yet unnamed region, 70 kilometers above Earth, in the year 1900. The ionosphere is the protective shield around the Earth consisting of ionized molecules. The region is referred to as Schumann cavity. It resonates at a low frequency of 8 to 11 cycles, which falls in the range in which the brain emits alpha wave. What is the connection between these two? Inside the brain, the neural activity is caused by electrical circuits. Electromagnetic fields have been known to have significant effect on brain activity. Communication of thoughts wirelessly has been observed among humans and animals. In most science fiction, the aliens are thought communicators. They tune into the human thought. So thoughts propagate as electromagnetic waves. For example, in the 100th monkey experiment, isolated groups of monkeys were able to learn new skills from each other by a telepathic mechanism. Through resonance, it is possible that the thoughts are trapped in the ionosphere as independent entities. In fact, Tesla feared that the Wardenclyffe Tower could be used to control thoughts of living beings and as such was a dangerous weapon in the wrong hands. It is said in the ancient Hindu wisdom of Vedas, each event is forever recorded in the Akashic memory. Each thought is also an event, as such stored in the cosmic memory forever. When water flows from high to low region, it is due to the force of gravity. It could be pushed in the reverse direction by another force such as vacuum or hydraulic press. Each flow of each drop of water is etched in the cosmic memory. The future course of events are molded by this memory. The scientists normally hold the view that evolution of life on Earth is not due to any grand design by a higher intelligence. On the contrary, just random mutations and natural selection alone are believed to be the forces driving evolution of life on Earth. In truth, there are millions of mutations that happen spontaneously. Most are deleterious and either destroyed or would result in the death of the organism. Evolution happened in the short time span of 500 million years, with the earliest Homo sapiens appearing only 200,000 years ago. It is possible that intelligent design we see in all this is actually just the effect of cosmic memory. The changing environment causing changes to the anatomy, such as neck elongation in giraffes, are really driven by the cosmic blueprints of thoughts and desires of each creature as it struggles through its individual life in its struggle to survive the odds. The control of global climate from ionosphere is also influenced by thought fields. The rainmakers are known not only in Hindu Vedic culture but also in many other ancient African and Aboriginal cultures. We mold and drive evolution with our thoughts, desires, and actions. Should we cause suffering in animals, environment, and humans? Is meat eating good in the long term? It certainly is energy inefficient. It is better to grow just the meat using stem cell technology. The best solution, however, is to adapt to a simple vegetarian diet. Hunter evolved into gatherer. Modern processed meat industry causes suffering on a very large scale. We are endangering the continuation of life on this planet. Aggression against animals leaves dangerous suffering fields, which in turn affect the way humans treat humans. We see increased violence, wars, and horrific crimes. There has been increase in violence in movies, games, and even sensational news on TV. These increase thought fields of violence and hatred. This, in turn, affects current and future human behavior. The Vedic wisdom of dharmic living is based on scientific facts. Perhaps the Vedic knowledge did in fact descend into the human brain from the ionosphere. According to Vedas, this knowledge came directly from the sun.